In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a site from Netlify. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deletion is permanent. Removing a project will also remove the associated site, its deploys, previews, and related settings. If you only need a temporary pause, consider unpublishing or stopping auto deploys instead. With that in mind, let's walk through the exact flow. Start by opening the Netlify app in your browser and signing into the team that owns the site. On the left-hand sidebar, click Projects. Netlify organizes your work into projects, and your site lives inside one of them. If you manage several sites, the central projects view is the fastest way to get to the right place. Use the search bar at the top to narrow things down. Type part of the project name, and the list will filter as you type. Take a moment to double check you're choosing the correct project, especially if you have similarly named environments like staging or production. Click the project to open it. You'll land on the overview, where you can see recent activity and linked resources. From here, go into project configuration. The settings area controls the project and everything it contains, which is why the deletion option is located here rather than on the overview. Scroll down through the general settings until you reach the delete project section near the bottom. Netlify places destructive actions here to prevent accidental clicks, so keep scrolling until you see the clearly labeled delete controls. Click delete this project. A confirmation dialog will appear summarizing what's about to be removed. If your goal is to delete a single site and that site is the only one inside this project, deleting the project will remove it and its deploy history. If there are multiple resources in the project, be certain you're comfortable removing them all. To confirm, type the project name exactly as it appears in the prompt. Pay attention to capitalization, spacing, and punctuation. The final delete button will stay disabled until the name matches precisely. When the confirmation field is correct, click delete. Netlify will process the request, and the project, along with the associated site, will disappear from your projects list. This action can't be undone. A few quick tips before you wrap up. Make sure you have the necessary permissions in your team to delete projects. If you rely on environment variables, forms, documents, analytics, or build logs, export anything important beforehand. And if you used a custom domain, remember to update or remove DNS records with your DNS provider to avoid pointing traffic to a removed site. That's it. You've successfully navigated to projects, found the right one, opened project configuration, and completed the permanent deletion with a clear confirmation. So thanks for watching.